Adjectives, comparatives and superlatives. The third group are adjectives that all end with the letter Y. Here we have angry. For the comparative form, we change the Y to I and add ER, angrier. For the superlative form, we make the same change and add EST, the angriest. Other examples are busy, busier, the busiest, dirty, dirtier, the dirtiest, dry, drier, the driest, early, earlier, the earliest, easy, easier, the easiest, empty, emptier, the emptiest, friendly, friendlier, the friendliest, funny, funnier, the funniest, happy, happier, the happiest, healthy, healthier, the healthiest, heavy, heavier, the heaviest, hungry, hungrier, the hungriest, lazy, lazier, the laziest, lucky, luckier, the luckiest, noisy, noisier, the noisiest, pretty, prettier, the prettiest.
In the next video, we will look at long 2 to 3 syllable adjectives, including ed and ing adjectives.